In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email address associated with your Webflow account, a process that should take us just around 5 minutes. So whether you've switched to a new email provider or simply want to update your contact information, follow along with these easy steps to ensure your account details are current. First up, you'll need to log in to your Webflow account. Once you're in, navigate to your account settings. This is where we'll find all the options related to your personal account information and preferences. It's a good habit to familiarize yourself with these settings from time to stay on top of updates and make any necessary changes. With your account settings page open, look for the Email Settings option and click on it. Here, you'll have an overview of your email preferences and the current email address associated with your Webflow account. It's the place where you can manage how Webflow communicates with you on important updates or account changes. Next, select Update Email Address. This is the step where you officially initiate the change of the email linked to your account. Before you can make this change, Webflow needs to ensure that it's actually you making this request for added security. You'll see a prompt here asking you to authenticate with your current Webflow email address. In this prompt, navigate to the Authenticate with Google section. You'll be presented with a list of email accounts currently linked with your Google services. Here, make sure to click on the email account that matches your present Webflow account's email address. This is a precautionary measure to ensure your account's security and that no unauthorized changes are being made. Once you've authenticated, it's time to input the new email address you wish to use. Carefully type in the email address that you want to replace your current one with. Ensure there are no typos, as this email will become your primary point of contact for all things Webflow. After entering your new email address, Webflow will send verification emails to both your old and new email addresses. These verification emails are critical, as they contain instructions on how to confirm the change. Simply follow the instructions provided within these emails to verify the update. As a final step, you might be required to log back in with your old email address to confirm the transition fully. This extra step helps protect your account and ensures that you have willingly made this change. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your Webflow email address. Keeping your account information updated is vital. And now you can focus on designing amazing websites without the worry of outdated contact information. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.